Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start by making the site discoverable and producing a sitemap. First, make sure your WordPress site is live and any Noindex setting is turned off. Once done, install an SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math to generate an XML sitemap automatically. Next, verify ownership in Google Search Console. This gives you control and visibility. After verification, submit the sitemap URL in Search Console so Google knows where to begin crawling and indexing your pages. Once the sitemap is submitted, you need to manage crawl access and on-page signals so Google indexes the right content. Check robots. TXT to allow access to your public pages and block admin or staging areas. Make sure it isn't accidentally disallowing important folders. Next, confirm canonical tags, hreflang where needed, and structured data so Google understands page intent. Use Search Console to inspect and fix crawl errors. When you correct issues, resubmit the affected URLs for faster reprocessing. Now finalize the process by actively requesting indexing and watching results. Use Search Console's URL inspection to fetch and request indexing for priority pages. Make sure pages return 200 status and render correctly. Monitor coverage and performance reports regularly to see which pages are indexed and how they perform in search. If things go wrong, check server logs for blocked requests, disable plugins that alter output temporarily, and review crawl budget. These troubleshooting steps usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.